Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to add your conversation history to favorites in Outlook on PC. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or keep important folders at your fingertips, this guide will help you make the most of the new Outlook update. Let's get started. First, open Outlook from your browser. Once you've logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll notice the navigation pane on the left-hand side, where all your folders are listed. This is where you'll find the Conversation History folder. Next, look at the top of the page and locate the three horizontal lines. This is often referred to as the menu icon. Click on it to expand additional options. Once expanded, scroll down until you see the Conversation History folder in the list. Now, here's the key step. Next to Conversation History, you'll find three dots. This is the folder's action menu. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu of options specific to that folder. From this drop-down menu, select Add to Favorites. With just one click, your Conversation History folder will now appear under Favorites at the top of your navigation pane. This ensures quick and easy access whenever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully added Conversation History to your favorites in Outlook. By doing this, you've made it easier to locate and manage conversations stored in this folder, saving time and improving efficiency. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to explore other features within Outlook's Favorites section. It's a powerful tool for organizing and accessing frequently used folders. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.